Dear students, today I am going to teach you chapter 5, exponents and powers. What is an exponential form? To express the large number in a form which can be written and compared easily, we use exponential form. When a number is multiplied itself several times, it can be written in the form of exponential form. For example, let's take 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 6 times. That means it is written as 3 to the power 6. So 6 times and 3 is multiplied with 6 times. The short form 3 to the power 6 is called exponential expression. It is read as 3 to the power 6, where 3 is the base and 6 is the exponent. Here you can say as power. In general, 8 to the power n. 8 to the power n means 8 multiplied n times. So 8 into 8 into 8 n times. So it is written as 8 to the power n. Read as 8 to the power n or a raised to the written a raised to the power n. For example, take another example. Suppose 1 by 2 multiplied 3 times. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. That means you can write 1 by 2 power 3. So 1 by 2 is your base, 3 is your power. Okay. One more example. Question arise here. We take two questions arise here. Take first questions. Find the value of minus 8 to the power 2. That means minus 8 square. So power 2 means you can multiply 2 times. Minus 8 into minus 8 is your 64. Then second type of questions is express following in power notation. Suppose for example 9 given. So you can express 9 as exponential form. That means 9 you can break 9 3 into 3. That means 3 to the power 2. 3 2 times multiply. Yeah, take another example. Minus 260 is your minus 6 into minus 6 into minus 6. So minus 6 3 times multiply. So minus 216 you can write minus 6 to the power 3. One more thing. Suppose one negative integer. Power is odd natural number. The answer is always negative. For example, suppose minus 1 to the power 3. So minus 1 minus 3 is an odd number. So power 3 means answer is negative, minus 1. Suppose another example, minus 1 power 2. 2 is an even number. So minus 1 into minus 1 here is your 1. So if a negative power of a negative integer is odd number, then answer is negative integer. If power of a negative integer is even, then answer is an even integer. Okay, these are the exponential form. Now come to laws of exponents. There are 6 laws. Number 1 laws: 8 to the power n into 8 to the power n. Then you can add both the power. 8 to the power n plus n. Take an example. 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 4 is your 2 to the power 3 plus 4 is your 2 to the power 7. Where 2 same base. Here 8 to the power n means they have same base but powers are different. In that case you have to add the power. Okay, next same base they are divided. 8 to the power n divided by 8 to the power n is your 8 to the power n minus n. Take an example. Suppose 3 to the power 3 in this case both have different base and same power. So you have to multiply the base here. Take an example. Suppose 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. 2 and 3, their base are different but power are same. Then you have to multiply the base. 2 into 3 and keep the power same, only 2. So 2 to 6 to the power 2 is your 36. In separate way, suppose you multiply separately. 2 to the power 2 is your 4, 3 to the power 2 is your 9, 4 into 9 is your 36. Next, loss number 5. Different base, they are divided with same power. So a to the power m, b to the power n is your a upon b whole to the power n. Take an example. Suppose 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 3 is your 2 upon 3 whole to the power 3. This is your loss number 5. Last loss is your a to the power 0 is your 1. Take an example. A to the power 9 and divided by a to the power 9. Also 1. You know, numerator same and denominator same, you have to divide and result is your 1. In this case, if we use the loss number 2, in this case, because both the base are same. So what it means? A to the power 9 minus 9 is your a to the power 0. This is your, you already know, this is your 1. So these are the 6 laws. Again I repeat the laws. Number 1, a to the power n into a to the power n is your a to the power n plus n. Second is your a to the power n divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Third one is your a to the power m whole to the power n is your a to the power mn. Then fourth one, a to the power m into b to the power n is equal to ab whole to the power n. Then number 5, a to the power m, b to the power m is your a upon b whole to the power m. And last loss is your a to the power 0. For example, 10 to the power 0 also 1, 5 to the power 0 also 1. Every number having 0 exponent is your answer is 1. Okay, now your scientific, what is scientific notation and what is standard form? What is scientific notation? Yes, suppose a number is written as a large number. A large number is suppose written 147, 6 zeros. 6 0, 147, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can write this number in a scientific way. That means in a short way, which can read easily. So 147 into 6 0 is there. That means 10 to the power 6. Like this, suppose 10 is your 10 to the power 1. 100, that means 10 to the power 2. Suppose 200 in 100 2 0, that means 10 to the power 2. In 1000 3 zeros, so 10 to the power 3. So you can write here 147 into 160. So 147 into 10 to the power 6, you can write 160, that means you can write 10 to the power 6. After that, you have to put in the decimal here, because the scientific notation, the format is k into 10 to the power n, whereas k is always less than, k is always in between 1 to 10. K is always in between 1 to 10 and 10 to the power n is the natural 100 is multiplied both numerator and denominator, then you can write 147 divided by 100 is your 1.47 and 10 to the power 6 and this is 10 to the power 2 is your 10 to the power 8. This is your scientific, you can write the number in the scientific way, scientific notation. In other way you can take scientific notation. So it is written in the form of k into 10 to the power n. If a number is written in the scientific notation, you can write in the standard form. How can you write? Take an example. Suppose the distance from sun to earth is your 1.52 into 10 to the power 8. The distance from sun to earth is your 1.52 into 10 to the power 8. You can write in the, this is written in the scientific notation, so you can write in the standard form. So 150 1.52 into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 10 to the power 8 means 8 zeros in 1. So 152 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 0.52. So decimal places shifted to 2 digits. So here 10 to the power 6. So there is 6 zeros. So 152 0 0 0 0 0. Clear? This is the scientific form. This is your standard form. Clear? This is your scientific form. This is all about your chapter exponents and power. You do the exercises. Thank you.